Mamafox Books Storytime Saturdays. I'm children's author Phoebe Fox, and today I'm going to read to you Bad Monkey Business. Permission for the reading of this book was given by the author and illustrator Michael Hale. Are you ready to get started? On a rainy day, in her house on the hill, Mrs. J.C. McGoody had started to fill a cup with some tea after mopping the floor when she heard a faint knock come from her front door. She opened the door, and to her surprise stood a very wet monkey of very small size. "Can I help you?" she asked in a voice soft and sweet, as the monkey barged in without wiping his feet. He dragged in a rope to which something was tied, and she got quite a scare when it wandered inside. What kind of animal is that? That's right, a lion. She picked up a chair to keep the lion at bay. When she noticed the monkey was running away, she cried, "Stop, you bad monkey! This just will not do. That's enough of this bad monkey business from you." But he ran straight ahead, ignoring her words. Then he opened the windows, and in came the birds. The room filled with birds, all squawking and flying, while Mrs. McGoody was running and trying to catch that small monkey, and trying quite hard. But he jumped through the window down to the backyard, where he unlatched and opened her old cellar door and went back in the house where he was just before. She ran fast to catch him, quick down the stairs, past the beast in her parlor, asleep on her chairs, to the door of the basement near the clock on the wall. But just as she got there, something started to crawl. What do you think that is? Did you say spider? The door started shaking, then burst open wide, and out came the monkey, not trying to hide, but riding on top of a giant green snake, a constrictor so big you might think it was fake. The back kitchen door was broken in half as a rhino charged in with a slouching giraffe. On their heels came a zebra, a tiger, a bear, and somehow an elephant squeezed inside there. She cried, "Stop, you bad monkey! Can you hear what I say? That's enough of this bad monkey business today." But that monkey let in even more than before when another faint knock came from the front door. "Please, please go away," she started to sob, but when it opened this time, it was Zookeeper Bob. He ran to the monkey, who jumped to his arm. "You did it! They're here! You saved them from harm!" All of this rain caused a flood at the zoo. The water was rising. Oh, what could we do? This quick-thinking monkey had a very good plan. He opened the gates, and out they all ran. He led them all here to safe higher ground. Down in the flooding they all might have drowned. In her house on the hill, when the rain finally stopped, Mrs. J.C. McGoody went back in and mopped her floors and her rooms, cleaned up nice as can be, and when it was done, had a nice cup of tea. Who did she invite to have tea with her? That's right, the monkey. He wasn't so bad after all. I hope you had fun listening to Bad Monkey Business. If you like this video, please share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe to Mamafox Books Storytime Saturdays. See you soon.